Okay, so first of all, I'd like to thank you for taking a look at my Selfie site. I really appreciate it. Whether you bought the presets or not, I'm still pleased that you clicked that link or swiped up on my story, and it is appreciated. Now, if you're thinking about buying the presets, I've decided rather than me writing to all of you individually and telling you how to download and install and use the presets, I'd make a quick number of tutorials for both desktop and for mobile. So what we're going to cover now is how to import the presets on both Lightroom mobile and Lightroom desktop, and we're also going to cover how to use the presets once you get them into either Lightroom desktop or Lightroom mobile, and it is very, very simple. Okay, so first things first, how to install the Lightroom mobile presets. What you want to do is go into the email that you used on checkout on the Selfie page. You should have an email from Selfie, and if you click on the link in the email, it's going to open a new page on Safari. Now, as you can see, all the files are called DNG files. What you want to do is click the green download button. It's going to take you into another page on Safari, and you're going to be prompted with a couple of options. Open in whatever. Sometimes it can be Lightroom, sometimes it can be another app, and underneath that there's a section that says More. What I want you to do is click More. Once you've clicked More, a little box will open, and I want you to slide along through your apps until you get to Lightroom. Then click Lightroom, and it says the shared photo will be imported on the next app launch. That means these photos are going to import when you next open the app. You click Got it. Next, what I want you to do is go back a page and then go to the next preset, click the green download button, click More again, and then same again, slide along to the Lightroom app and click Got it. You then need to go and do this through each and every preset, which is a little bit time consuming, but you only have to ever do it once, and once you're done, that's you. The presets will be installed in your Lightroom. Okay, one quick thing before we start downloading the presets, you must have Dropbox installed on your phone. You can have the free version, it works perfect, so make sure you go and download the Dropbox app and the Lightroom mobile app. They're the only two things you need for this tutorial. Now that we've downloaded all the presets, they should be in Lightroom, so open your Lightroom mobile app and let's have a look. So if you go into all photos, you'll start to see a number of different presets. The presets are basically pictures which have the writing on. They might have summer 18, subtle pop, desaturated. Each preset has its own name, and I've put the name of the preset on the picture so that you can distinguish between that and your pictures a little bit easier. So what we're going to do, again, to help you stay more organized and help you find the presets a lot easier, especially if you have a big catalog of photos in your Lightroom mobile app, this is what I would do. I would select the presets by clicking the three dots in the top right, and then I'd go and I would select the presets, and then what I would do is I'd click a little button at the bottom which says Add To, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click the plus button at the top, and you're going to create a new folder called Presets. Then simply add the presets to that folder, and now when you come back into the library, you're going to see you have a section under Albums called Presets, and this means you can easily find your presets. So there you have it, that's all of your presets now imported into Lightroom and you're ready to go.